Satu tak ya. Dua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Ningrum. We are from 11/7 Social Economic. We are proudly present the material for our study under the title is Procedure Text. Before we start the presentation, please introduce ourselves. My name is Dimas Prasio from number 11 and
My name is Aulia Indachani from number 5.
Okay, we are hoping that you can follow our presentation for our discussion later. Okay, next the presentation. There is a cover, anggota kelompok, and this is.
And the first is, before we start discuss further, we have to know what is procedure text. So, procedure text is a text that aiming to inform the readers about the steps to do something. Procedure text is a type of text that provides instruction or direction on how to perform a specific task.
Next, we must to know about structure of procedure text. There is a four structure. I'm your presentation for the first. First is goal or aim. Contains the aim and objective of the related procedure text. Next is materials. Contains the materials needed to carry out the stage of a procedure text. Apart from the word materials, you can also use the word ingredients. Next is steps. A list of sequential steps to complete the procedure text stage. And the last is the result. The result of the process or step that have been carried out.
There is next types of procedure text. How many types of procedure text? Types of procedure text, there is three types. First is simple procedure text. A simple procedure text is a text that contains simple steps which usually only consists of 2 until 4 steps to carry out. For example, how to log in Facebook, how to open WA, how to open Twitter and Instagram. Second, there is complex procedure text. Complex procedure text is text that contains many steps in carrying out. For example, how apply for a SIM card and how to making a passport. And the last one, there is protocol procedure text. Protocol procedure text is a text that can be changed each step. It doesn't have to be sequential. Even though it changes, the end result remains the same. For example, when we are cooking noodles, we can boil them by putting the noodles and spices in boiling water from the stove, or we can put hot water in a container containing the noodles and then add the spices.
Okay, next is characteristic of procedure text. There is a 6 point or 6 characteristic. The first is used in practice sentence. Example like add 2 spoons, cook with flour heat, blend the noodle and others. The second is use simple present tense. Of course, this procedure text use the simple present tense. And 3 is use adverbs to clarify the stage being passed. For example, like correctly, carefully, slowly, for 2 minutes, and others. Next is using action verb. For example, like add, put, turn, and others. 5 is using numbering. For example, like first, second, third, and others. And the last is use conjunction. For example, like next, then, while, and others. Okay, there is an example for procedure text. There is how use washing machine. Okay, the first is prepare dirty clothes that you want to wash. Next, put it in the washing machine drum. Next is the flow the water into the detergent drawer until it fills the inside and outside of the tube. And next is usually when the water is full, the water will stop flowing. Next one is once everything is ready, press the button or turn the washer panel.
Next, The machine will automatically rotate to clean clothes. Next, once it stops rotating, open water drain valve. Next, then rinse the clothes again with clean water and then spin them again together. Next, then after activating the dryer panel, the last one, then the drying process will run. Wait until it's finished, then the clothes are ready to dry in the sun.
Okay, Miss Ningrum, thank you for your attention.
That's enough from us. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you for your attention, Miss Ningrum.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kata gue langsung